Guys, what's up? It's your boy Carter, and today we are making some, dang grandma bless you, we're making some glue, no, slime, what am I saying? We've added some clear Elmer's glue, some more clear Elmer's glue, and we've added school glue, and wait, we haven't added this school glue yet. We add this one, and we're gonna add this, and this, and this, and what it looks like is now is right here. It's not just that, okay? Don't worry. Okay, here we go. We're adding alright, here we go. Taking off the cap for this. We're gonna do it. My God, this is so weird, so satisfying. Grandma is over here making some dinner too. I can't show you her, guys. You might have already saw her with her robe on, but I can't show you her anymore because she just got out of bed. Do not want to get demonetized. So, that's done, guys. Now for the moment you guys have been waiting for. Here we go. Ugh. Oh my flipping gosh. That was not the moment I've been waiting for. I'll show you what I've been waiting for. Come on, guys. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Don't forget that. And turn on notifications. When you touch it on mine, it lights up and it says ding! It lights up gold, guys, so it's pretty lit. So click that sub and you'll get a light up. Alright, guys. Click the subscribe button. 10 seconds. We're going to count that down. You get extremely good luck forever. No, for 7 years if you click it. So, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, did you do it? I'm waiting for you. Alright, guys. You'll get extremely good luck. Whoever clicked it just now. Okay, guys, so good job. Alright, so now we're opening this nice glue. Here we go, guys. I've never ever seen this before, but it looks pretty lit. Dude, it smells so good. I don't know. It says glitterific on here. Trusted quality. Dude, this is scary. It smells so good. I don't want to ruin this slime. Here we go. It's so hard. Alright, guys. Bye. There we see it. We just made it, but we do have to add an activator, and you guys already know what it would look like. And I got a surprise for you in the next video. Stay watching. It's gonna be called the Big Black Slime, guys. So 3, 2, 1. See ya.